Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you the speed up tricks on the Google Pixel 9. Okay, so let's begin. So first up I'm gonna unlock my phone because it's locked. Okay, so let's begin with going up straight into our settings. And first things we're gonna do is, first up we need to open up the developer settings and there actually switch 3 options and set their value into the smaller one. So to open the developer options, first up let's scroll down until we find the About Phone option. Now let's scroll down into the bottom until we find the build number, and now all we need to do is to tap on it 5 times. So let's click on tapping. Now we need to confirm with our pattern if we have one, and you can see that we are now the developer. Okay, so now we need to go into the system, scroll down a little bit, and then click on developer options. Make sure that it is enabled right in here. And now we need to scroll down and look for 3 specific options. And okay, here they are. Okay, that's the 3 options, which is the window animation scale, transition animation scale, and the animator duration scale. So as you can see, defaultly they are set on 1x, all 3 of them. And to speed up your phone a little bit, you can set them on 0.5, just like that, or you can select them on off. But for now, I'll select them on 0.5, all of them. Okay. So basically that's all that we had to do in the developer options. Okay, also we can go into our battery. And see not the battery usage. Okay, we can select the charging optimization. So you can select limit to 80% or select on the adaptive charging. So when it comes to the adaptive charging, it finishes charging to 100% right before you normally unplug, and limit to 80%. Your phone will charge to 80% battery. Below you can also see the information to extend battery lifespan. Adaptive charging learns your charging routine at pauses at 80% and finish to 100% an hour before you usually unplug. So it's good to have it because, you know, overheating your battery, it's not that good. So if you want to extend your battery life, you can select the adaptive charging. Okay, so that's what we had to do in the battery. Also, we can go to the storage and see the apps. And in here, simply, if you have some apps that you are not currently using and they are not necessary to your day-to-day work, for example, you can simply select them right in here and uninstall them. So simply, you can also clear the cache right in here. For now, for the app that I just selected, it's impossible. But if you have some of your private apps, you can clear the cache right in here. Maybe other things will be available right in here. Okay, for example, for Android Switch, we can clear cache right in here. And for example, if you also have apps that you are not using, you don't need to clear cache, you can simply uninstall them. So let's say we are on the Google phone and I can't uninstall the app, but to uninstall, simply hold on the icon and in here you will have option to uninstall your app. Okay, is there something else? Let me think for a little moment. I'll go to the settings once again. Okay, yeah, we can go into the security and privacy and look if we have some system updates. So you simply need to click on it. For now, as you can see, I have the available update, but I wasn't performing that because I wanted to show you all of it. So for now, as you can see, it's cancelled. All we need to do is now to tap on resume. Then we'll need to restart our phone. It will be done automatically, and after that your phone will be ready to use. Okay, also you can perform... Okay, sorry, that was the system update, which was the most valuable one. Also, if you have some apps, you can simply go from the Play Store from time to time and see if they need some updates. For example, the YouTube. So you can type it manually right in here. Simply type on YouTube. No, something went wrong. I don't know why. But simply, if there will be an available update, simply download it. Okay, and the last thing is, from time to time you can simply reboot your phone to delete some of the background processes, and basically the phone will rest for a moment. So it's good to perform from time to time. Okay, to perform the reboot, simply let's tap the volume up and the power button. Okay, now we are in the power menu. Now all you need to do is to tap on the restart. Then the screen will go black and the phone will be automatically turned on back again within a few seconds. But also, if the phone is frozen and you can't perform any action, it's basically unresponsive, you can also perform the force restart. All you need to do to perform this is to hold the power button and the volume up button until the screen goes black. So we need to keep on holding. I'm gonna show you that process. So we need to keep on holding until the screen goes black. Okay, just like that. Now we can release our fingers, and within a few seconds the phone will be turned on automatically. Okay, so that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.